Hi all, Tim here from Island Scenic. Just a really quick video on how fast and easy ballasting your N-scale track or any gauge track can be with ballast magic. So let's get on with the video. So for this you're going to need some ballast magic. Not exactly the cheapest stuff, it's around about £11 a pot. And of course you're going to need your ballast as well. A couple of other little things is going to make this faster and easier is a ballast dispenser or hopper and a little pot to measure up the ballast magic and the ballast, and last of all water. That's all that you're going to need. So what we're going to do first of all is put in 1 part ballast magic, as the instruction says on the packet, and then once we've measured that out, we're going to add between 5 to 7 parts ballast. Now I usually go for about 5 parts or 6 parts. This is why we use the little measuring pot. Once I've got the amount I need, I just give it a good old shake and mix it right up together, allowing the ballast magic to mix in with the ballast itself, as the ballast magic is pretty much the glue. So I'm going to mix it a bit more with a stick. I think this was the end of a pencil. So now we get our ballast hopper and we just pour the mixture into it. And then this is as easy as anything. You slide it along the track, just like that. And then you just get your water spray bottle and just douse it. Completely spray the whole track and ballast magic, and it will do, well, it's magic. Give it a good soak in, and then leave it for about 2 hours. So when I last done this video, how we ballast my son's track, which is what we're on now, we did have the question saying that, does it last a while? Now, it's been some time since we actually did ballast this track. As you can see here, I'm pushing with a lot of force with my finger. You know, that's not exactly, and it's not shifting. I always find points tricky to ballast, but not with this stuff. It is just as easy as pouring it all over. Obviously we can't use the ballast hopper here, it doesn't quite run over it. So I just sprinkle the ballast all over. So then I get myself a pencil and I just bash the track a bit, and it will let all the ballast fall in between the sleepers. Now I did put a little bit too much on here, so all you need to do if that happens is get yourself a brush, dried brush, and just brush away the excess ballast. Also make sure just round where the wheel flanges go across the point that there's none of the ballast is in the gaps. Get the brush again and just make sure that the point will move freely with no problems, and also brush round if any have jumped up onto the rails itself. And then finishing off once again as simple as spraying all the water over the point and soaking the ballast, and again leaving it to dry for about 2 hours. Although, like I said, I always like to leave this to dry overnight before I put any other scenic stuff around the area. There you go, as simple as that. The points work perfectly fine, the ballast is stuck. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you want to see how I made this awesome looking abandoned factory for my N-scale layout, do check out the video that pops up at the end. Thank you very much.